2025, what's going to happen in the domain industry? Here's my thoughts. Okay. First of all, hey, Chris Zuiker with Media Options. Help companies acquire the raw version of their brand because the best domains on the planet. Check it out. Go over to MediaOptions.com. Have a lot of amazing domain names. Got a couple new ones like Keystone.com and a couple new ones I'm not sure if I can share yet, but just check out the site. You'll see them on there. Some amazing domains. Anyways, listen, 2025, my prediction is, guess what? It's the exact same prediction as last year. Exact same. And the year before that too, right? There's going to be trends that are going to happen. Those trends are going to, they go through a different cycle, okay? Where at first it's category defining, then it moves to brand, then it moves back to category defining. But in the essence of domaining, okay, and domain sales, like domains are at like this beautiful intersection between strategy, scaling, and really just the creation of new brands. Okay, that's if you look at why domains sell. Okay, the big ones, typically it's because it becomes a brand, or it becomes a sub brand, or it's for marketing, or maybe some of the smaller ones, it's a defensive play to just make sure that you have the global positioning and the industry positioning, as well as security. Okay, so there's 4 strategies to domainings, but in essence, like the biggest one is scaling. Most companies, they buy domaining for scaling. Now, I do think there's going to be one interesting trend we're going to see, and I'm kind of seeing it right now, and that is companies that launch on some of the newer TLDs. Let's say it's like a .app, .now, whatever, okay? .ai, not necessarily .ai, but some of the newer ones, because they don't want to invest in the .com. And what I think is going to happen, what I see happening is that it works like when you're starting, okay, depending upon the size. Remember, I have 5 different buyer types, starting from the hobbyist, going up to the solo entrepreneur, the local to national, legacy, to viable, scalable, to high rev entrepreneurs. And so as you naturally scale up, they're going to realize that, hey, this doesn't work. Like we have a massive problem with a halo effect actually sending traffic to another domain name. We have a massive problem with our customer service because people are going to this other domain thinking that that's us. We have a massive problem with our branding because they say that we're this brand, but we're not really, they think we're our domain name, but not our brand. In essence, it's the 7 dimensions, okay? The 7 dimensions are what I came up with over like hundreds of hours, okay? I don't want to say 1,000, but I mean a lot of hours. Really 8 years, 10 years in this business, thinking about how do I sell more domains? How do I help companies acquire more domains? Why does a company need a domain name? It's the 7 dimensions. It's global positioning, industry positioning, branding, marketing, SEO, scaling, and security. Okay, I used to say email security, but it's really security in general because of just all the different scams that are out there and how companies can use offsets of domain names to scam. And if you create confusion, it's your problem. Okay, you have created confusion for your customers. It's not this other company. Like you have refused to like double down and own your brand because you don't want to spend money. So anyways, in essence, it's scaling, okay? Domains are about scaling. They're about strategy. They're about new creation. And so, if we do see the economy pick back up, what that means is that there's going to be more people that are out there, more companies being created, and they need a domain name because that is their storefront today. So we're going to do a domain Sherpa with Drew and JT, and we're going to get into more details on our predictions. But that's it, okay? That's it. So more videos to come. Make sure you are connected with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, all my good channels here. I've got lots of podcasts with information. If you need help acquiring a domain name, reach out to me. If you need help selling a domain name, also reach out to us.